And you can go, for example, purchase order processing. You want to create a purchase order. Click on purchase order creation, and it will take you to the PO creation screen. And if you're familiar and you have a good knowledge in ME21N, mostly you look similar. You can see here how did we get this one. Standard purchase order. So we can create a purchase order also. So set based on the NS12 and how do you want to company code? I want to set suppliers by purchasing organization, and my purchasing organization is NS11, NS12. Okay, I got a multiple purchase orders. I will select this vendor, click OK. I got the vendor, and material purchasing organization is NS12 and purchasing group 001. Material by plant. You can see here, right? Everything looks like ME21N. That's why I always mention to our members that one Fiori app is an user interface which you can access through the tiles, which you can access through that web portal, then the tiles. But as an MM consultant, if you have enough experience in ECC and if you have a good command about the transaction, how to use, how to create and all, you don't think too much about the Fiori. The little changes you can easily adopt it. Okay. This statement is for the people who have been working in ECC and currently getting opportunity or getting learning S4HANA. So completely new people, as for them, everything is new. So that is a different part. But you already have a good command, you know how to use ME21N. So do you see that one? Anything miracle is going to happen here? So few differences, a few transaction codes, you may see that 20-30% difference, few or 5% difference like that. Where is material by plant? Plant material by description. Material by plant. Okay, we can give the vendor material category, material group, supply area. Yeah, plant material by description. This I always use it so that I just use NS12 is our plant, I believe, and select this material cable. Click OK. Click enter. So the quantity 10, plant is NS12. Storage location also we can select FZ01. You can double click also. Price has come from info record. Rest all look like similar, right? How we are creating the purchase requisition. So those things and my material data, delivery address, confirmations, condition control. Mostly it looks like everything looks similar. This is already I mentioned earlier. Incoterms is available at the item level also. That is as part of S4HANA changes. And rest all are fine. Header, and if you want to maintain any partner details, you can maintain. And conditions, if you want to add any header conditions, you can add it. And delivery invoice, okay, payment terms. You can see here the Incoterm is not available at the header until you activate it. Okay. So you can see that it was segregated into a separate tab for Incoterms. And item level, header level. In ECC, mostly you see at the header level, and that too under delivery invoice. Here you used to see the Incoterms, but now you got a separate tab for that. Anyway, these are all part of our regular understanding. And messages, hold button, check button, everything similar to how we do in ECC. Okay. So this is about the overall creation. And yeah, now I'm going to save the purchase order. You can generally we see the save button at the top on ECC, but we see at the bottom in the right hand side. That's it. Purchase order is created. Same other purchase order and click enter and you can see the PO number. So this is the way how you can add the tiles in your role. Whether you are working as a purchaser, we give the purchaser role. We are working as some inventory clerk. SAP has given multiple roles for each transactions and those can be added here. I hope in this video you learned how to add the tiles and how to create a purchase order by using Fiori. And I'm coming with many more videos, whichever I feel it is useful for our audience. And mainly it will be a new thing for them to learn. Okay. And if you consider a fresher who is directly starting his career in S4HANA, for him, anything is new. So I always try to consider balance the newcomers to SAP and the people who have experience in ECC and transforming to S4HANA. I need to consider both of them and make videos. And thanks for watching. And if you're watching on YouTube, you can share the video. And if you're watching on Udemy, you can provide your valuable review. Thank you.